Here's a video tutorial with a twist from Authored Intelligence. It starts off tamely enough with the keywords web design. As you can see, I've already output the outline in the content editor. Now I add Aussie lingo from the prompt tags. So let's do it one by one. We'll start with the top one. We copy it, then we paste it into the custom prompt. Note that we keep the keyword at the front to give it context. Then I click Agency Writer Line. And wouldn't you know it, some good old Aussie lingo to get us firing. It screams, look at me. Now let's look at the next subtopic. So you select it, then copy it. Then you paste it into the custom prompt. Then you click the Light button. Then the content appears in the content editor. And it's very Australian. So let's move on to the next one. We select it and copy it. Then we paste it into the custom prompt. Then we click the Agency Writer Light button to get our content. Now let's move on to the next one. Engage your audience. We select it, paste it, and then click the Agency Writer Light button. So as you can see, it has a real Australian flavour to it. And it's not just dingoes. We've got fair dinkum, struth, chuffed, bonza, and best of all, crikey dick. Thanks for watching. This is Authored Intelligence, and I'm Peter Hatherley.